In this video, we're going to cover how to finalize registration of your courses once your registration appointment time has begun. If you haven't yet built your course plan, reviewed it with your advisor, been cleared to register by your advisor, and cleared any blocking holds, you will be unable to complete registration. An easy way to make sure all of the prior steps have been completed is to visit your registration page in the new MyWhitman preview. If you're having trouble finding it, you can use the shortcut whit.mn/checkin. Please make sure to enter HTTP, as HTTPS is not currently supported. In the Planning and Registration section, you'll find Check-in and Holds. In this example, the student has 5 required tasks to complete. Once all the check-in items have been handled, the box will be cleared of all messages, but you can review the list of completed items at any time by clicking View Holds and then selecting All Holds. Although most items clear instantaneously, advisor clearance must be resolved by your advisor and should only be done once you've met and reviewed your plan with them. To find your registration appointment time, click the Course Planning and Registration button to open the Plan and Schedule page. Once there, you'll see a box with the date and time that you can begin registering. If your time has already begun, the box will be missing and the Register Now button will be active. Registration times for incoming first-year students haven't been posted yet as of this recording, but should be ready sometime on August 8th, so no need to worry if the time isn't there yet and the Register Now button isn't active. There are 2 ways to finalize registration: using the Register Now button to try adding all of your planned sections at the same time, or by clicking each planned section in the listing. It's important to understand what's going on with the calendar view, as there are color cues for the status of each section that may not be readily apparent, especially with certain kinds of visual impairment. Sections that are successfully registered will be green, planned sections are tan and brown, and sections with some kind of issue have red text. To get more information about the section status, consult the listing for details. You can see here that Arts 104 is only planned, which means it has not yet been registered. Any course that is confirmed as enrolled will say registered but not started. A quick sidebar to the few students who may still have a Bill 100 course on their schedule. It is fine to drop this course, but only once you've registered for at least one academic course. Otherwise, you may encounter problems with your tuition billing later on that will need to get resolved. You can see in this example of Econ 101A that the section conflicts with the timing of another course on your plan. If this doesn't get resolved, using the Register Now button will not work correctly, as the system won't be able to add both sections and will pick the first one it finds. Finally, there may be messages on planned courses about co-requisites and prerequisites. You will not be able to register for a course with a prerequisite unless you satisfy the requirements or are able to successfully petition the instructor for a prerequisite waiver. For co-requisites, you must use the Register Now button so they are added at the same time. Otherwise, you'll receive an error and won't be enrolled. First, let's resolve some of these conflicts. And now we'll use the Register Now button. Note that we were not able to successfully register our entire planned schedule because it exceeded the 18 academic credit limit. At all times when registering, it is important that you pay attention to any and all messages that appear, as there may be issues you need to resolve. Now that we've finished, let's go over the schedule stats. You should have a listing of 3 types of credits. Planned are those for which you have not registered. Enrolled are those for which you have registered and are part of your semester schedule. This number may actually exceed 18 credits if you are registered for any non-academic activity credits. Waitlisted credits are for courses you have put yourself on the wait list. Please note that during fall 2022 registration and add drop period, there will be no waitlisted courses as we are transitioning to a new system for spring 2023 pre-registration. If you have any questions or difficulties, you can contact the registrar's office via email at registrar@whitman.edu or by calling 509-527-5983. Thank you.